kitchen or home studio. Eureka! Well, if you've been following along, you know that I'm building a new home studio, and to facilitate that, I have to destroy a kitchen. Now, if you haven't been following along, you don't know why I'm destroying a kitchen to make a studio. Well, not to worry. I'm going to put a link to the playlist for this entire studio vlog series so you can get caught up. But I'm destroying a kitchen today, so let's get over there and get her done. I know it's a nice kitchen, but sadly, it's got to go. Only a small injury so far. Ugh. Maybe I should give up the home studio channel and start a home renovation channel. What do you think? Kitchen seeking a studio is f***ing overrated. I finally got some help. Click on this side.
Not that I can see.
No. All right. Do this. Nice. Well, I got the cabinetry out. Now I got to deal with these appliances. Anyone interested in some slightly used kitchen cabinets? Well, we got all the cabinetry out. That was quite a feat of engineering. Thanks to my son Zorn for helping me there, so you can see. And we have another helper here today. My brother-in-law Ian has decided to join and get his fingerprints on the building of the studio. He's certified in many things, actually, and one of those things that he can do, he's actually got a gas fitting license. So we're just removing the gas line. We've already turned off the gas, and then we can get this stove out of here. There's a machine to tighten that thing. Jesus. Well, at least they did a safe job. Okay. Yeah, that was the problem I had. I couldn't. And then last thing we have to do here, the dishwasher, I did the plumbing removal myself. And we've got just some electrical there. Again, we've turned off the power. We're just going to cut that, maybe make another plug. I never have too many plugs in the studio. And we'll get that out of here. And then do a little cleanup in the space. We'll be ready to start building the studio stuff. So we got to get this range hood off. This is probably the trickiest thing of all. And unfortunately, it's going to be the worst scar on the back wall, but we're going to cover it with...
You can just put like a severed head there or something.
Maybe. Oh. So that's the lights, right?
What's holding you?
Man crushed by range hood motor. 1,000 best ways to die, number 643. So this is an unsightly scar. We'll have to get creative with this, but take the hose off. There's probably tape on the back side here. I've been told I need tape on the back side. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. There we go. We can run some wires outside. have range hood will travel. Okay. We'll have to get creative there. When I say we, I mean me.
Oh, it's just
Actually, it's not that bad. Well, the canvas is ready for the studio. Got to thank Ian for his expertise in helping me with the finishing touches of dismantling this lovely kitchen. And sorry, some of you are going to hate me out there, but music before food. Well, I started with a nice kitchen and now I've got a blank canvas for a great new home studio. But I've got some acoustic issues that I have to deal with. That's going to be the topic of studio vlog number 4. I'm going to be building some new clouds for the ceiling and I got to deal with those tiles on the back wall. But I think I've got a solution to fix that up. Make sure to tune into the next vlog to see what I do. Well, we got it done. I got to thank my 2 helpers who jumped in and really helped me out. I don't think I could have done it without you guys. Really helped me get that done. Now the space is finally cleared and I can start the studio build. The first thing I got to do is figure out the acoustic treatment. As I said, I've got some challenges there with those tiles on the wall. So I've got some ideas. So make sure you check out the next vlog to see what I'm going to be doing there. If it's live, it'll be in the description, and if not, it'll follow this one no longer than a week. So there you have it. If you're new to the channel, I hope I've earned a subscribe. I've got a ton of content on this channel, a lot of it revolving around my home studio, geared to the home studio enthusiast and the home recording musician, with videos to hopefully help make your home studio life better. So perhaps you can click that subscribe button and come along for the ride. If you really want to support this channel, I am on Patreon. Links to everything I've discussed and some things I haven't are in the description below. And above all else, hope I'll see you again in another video.